The current Nissan Rogue Sport, which fits into the narrow niche between the WeKicks and the Rogue, is essentially the same compact crossover that goes by the more whimsical Qashqai name in Europe. Nissan has said it will phase out the Rogue Sport after the 2022 model year, but we're not so convinced that the latest version of the Qashqai will skip the North American market entirely. If Nissan were to decide to sell the new model here, even if under a different nameplate, the Qashqai's sharp styling should carry over to our market. One thing that won't, though, is a hybrid powertrain. We anticipate United States models would feature a gasoline-powered 4-cylinder engine instead. If we receive any more info on this potential future Nissan, we'll update this story with details. If Nissan decides to replace the Rogue Sport with a new version based on the European Qashqai, we'd expect it to launch as a 2023 model. Nissan hasn't released pricing or trim level information for a potential 2023 model yet, but we expect to see the outgoing Rogue Sports S, SV, and SL trims renewed. Pricing should stay relatively flat as well, with the base model starting around $25,000. When we get more information, we'll update this story. Engine, transmission, and performance. Although other markets will receive a hybridized model, the US Rogue Sport would likely continue to use a gasoline-powered 4-cylinder. We anticipate Nissan will pair this engine exclusively to a continuously variable automatic transmission, CVT, but offer buyers the option of front or all-wheel drive. Interior, comfort, and cargo. The cabin looks thoroughly updated, with a more artfully shaped dashboard, a flat-bottomed steering wheel, and a tablet-style infotainment display. Photos of the Europe market model are likely representative of the top-spec SL trim and feature quilted leather upholstery, stitched dash and door panels, and a digital gauge display. Stay tuned to Auto RBX for all the latest, and let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.